back when NPP ni hu ye me cry on national organizer. What should na funa to say otwetwe ntesuo no aton.
Does not suggest that you should come and harass people. No. It is giving the government a bad name, and that is what, and in fact, it is wrong. That is why we are saying that, Mr. President, sit up. I'm not sure that this is why we voted for you. Yes, we voted for you that some accountability will go on. That is why we are saying that we are law-abiding, we will cooperate with any investigative body.
I know where he is, but I'm not going to disclose the hospital.
Senior King Solomon say it's all vanity upon vanity. Edu brebia akaka bensam ti ene tumi kakra ye wonti ye fo say ye ni nyankopon kra ye pe.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hi Xposed GH FM by Bruce. Subscribe, share. Retuma na wonsa akami baby a obi am de nchi akese na ema o. Wontumi asem na asam be ya. Mesi wontumi ayemobo. Wontumi na chebe. Mi hu ni esi. Ye inviting wo police headquarters. Ye wie ye na omo ka wie na Yoko omo gira ho se crowd. Ba answer ne enkotie wontumi ye inviting wo police headquarters ni samo kan.
Yo, madam ase na mother obi anso ase. Police for inviting me. Ewa hase na charger omode ebo me is me na me galamse na me produce me lances a lease at the chere wo mu se menye illegal mining na se menye galamse enti me de me lances no at the chere wo mu ama omu hunu ye the toso bio almost aka say me ye adwuma ewo forest and also me catch rom say enye me a me nkonko ye adwuma ewo forest bia mu aye so mo evidence a omo betimi e de akere me na emre bi me apply lances wo ho nanso so forestry commission and lands commission and mines commission omo yese omo de honam forestry commission for so omo nhwe ho enti omo na eye custodian na omo ye responsible a omo hwe eho nko ho da ti so obi ye adwuma wo ho ne ade a enye medin mu enye bibia enum ana ye wie ye no omo ema bill 2 sureties ana CCA no yama bill CCA there make off. How much is the bill? Anyani nyina na betimi aka na CCA aye yama me bill 2 sureties aye intimi the machine Cocoa Board any company or dealings with no Cocoa Board anya no credit sama je Cocoa Board for sika obia no so wo kọ no wakwakoye road anya ban na mauska aye wo mum na odi usika ebekọ contractor no wo na odi usika bekọ na odi akwakoye road ubia na highways for the Cocoa Board for no omo de omo engineers ababe value aye road na awoye no na omo de boa rate omo de ma wo no omo de atoso ye free BB certificate no ma raise when the Cocoa Board for contracts na wo mu say 28 days they should pay me but ye raise we no it take about 3 years and say no omo tuya me ka so Cocoa Board cannot tell me say na omo ni Wontumi ka obia no so obeye ketu obeye kesi o na mpaso so obia no kwakoye adwuma de medwen say adwuma nya de a eye bone medamase
Me pacho wako he video no. Ye invite ni wie no na your man Bill. Your man Bill na osi abontia na yuko se eko se de. Wo mefa no. But according to sources they say ye hu ba bia Wontumi kronam. Eno na ne lawyer e ka se omo hwehwe Wontumi. Omo hu no. Eno se ekwo hwemra.
Wait. Can't wait. Wait.
Yeah, let's go. We are the top.
Where's your client? Wait. Where's your client?
Against the
Where's your client?
My client has been taken to the hospital. He is receiving treatment, so he will be there until the doctor discharges him.
Are you able to tell which hospital they are taking him to?
I know where he is, but I'm not going to disclose the hospital where he is. But all I can say is that my client has been taken to hospital for medical treatment.
Council, you've been in for about 6 hours. What has been happening in there?
We have given our statements. They preferred some allegations against him. He responded to them. We haven't finished with interrogation, so we will come back to continue. Hopefully tomorrow, if his condition improves. Otherwise, he will stay there until that the doctors discharge him, and then we will come back to continue the interrogation. Nevertheless, we have also received this afternoon a writ of summons from Exim Bank, and we are going to respond to the pleadings tomorrow. And I'm very hopeful that we'll be able to mount a defense of the writ. When we are in court, we will indicate that to the court that this we consider a civil matter, for which reason Exim Bank has issued a writ of summons to us, which we are also responding. So this one of a supposed criminal investigation, I am sure and confident that we will be able to also summon to defense.
Finally, what were the charges that were preferred against him in there?
The charges of yes, the late charges of a relationship between himself and Exim Bank and supposed So
now the MPP party members are preventing the chairman, the lawyer, from speaking to the media. They said they are not going to allow any more media interviews. But we're speaking to lawyer and Apia Kubi, who tells us that his client, Chairman Wontumi, has been taken to the hospital after taking ill during the EOCO interrogations.
Aye, my producer said, why sometimes no, who said Nipan Sehe. Senior King Solomon say it's all vanity upon vanity. Edu brebia akaka bensam ti ane tumi kakra ye wonti ye fo say ye ni Nyankopon kra ye pe. But woni mi bi obia wo be ye wo to say wo ne wo no de nyame ebre wase o se ahantan eye nyame achiwade. Edu ba bi wontumi ka kra ni sifo say masa mo pe ababa kwa say mo behu mu Ashanti region. Ene wontumi na oto nwom say akoyi a o say Mahama opa achawi. Ba ni nyina akosi no nipa bakwa NPP ni hu ye ma cry of national organizer no. What na funa to say otwetwa ntesuo no oton. Ye gwotie some more camera.
No, what I'm trying to, what stopped you from inviting the person? Look, CID invited him. He honored the invitation. He was told to report today. And 3 p.m. just when the person is exiting, you arrest the person. What are you talking about? I mean, this is exactly. I mean, it is the person. He's not going anywhere. Chairman Wontumi is known. He is known. He is the Ashanti regional chairman of the MPP. He's not going to hide anywhere. He's not traveling. He's not going anywhere. So where from this kind of arrest and all of that? I mean, I think it belongs to all of us. We must condemn it. Look, you think that if President Mahama had mounted a campaign platform to say that when I come, I will arrest people in a Rambo style, I will cause some action movie in this country, you think that they would have voted for him? No. He had an overwhelming endorsement. That is fine. That endorsement does not suggest that you should come and harass people. No. It is giving the government a bad name. A bad name, and that is what, and in fact, it is wrong. That is why we are saying that Mr. President, sit up. Sit up. I'm not sure that this is why we voted for you. Yes, we voted for you that some accountability will go on. That is why we are saying that we are law-abiding, we will cooperate with any investigative body.
Aye, obekesi na bi ayo dey aye kabinipa. Hwe ewiase won. Me catch obibi. NDC MPP. Me say, omu exactly what they are doing. Me pacho, Ekufuado, or a lawyer, right? Or a renowned lawyer. Sad year way since 2000, started says when there was change in power from Rollins to friends Ekufuor, and you started saying teaching the pani JJ cars. 2000 to now, how many years? 25 years. Yeah, Jimmy papa. Me who be that? Are we saying say still? Yen to me and can't tell who say enough of this stupidity. Both NPP and NDC. What am I talking about? If the state institutions are working, you don't need a change of government to effect arrest. And I'm person mechanic. And not be your or you're part of the government of friends Ekufuor. Why couldn't they change this stupid law? Say anytime the government is in power, they can arrest you. All that I'm saying is that empower the state institutions. Let them work, whether in opposition or in government. Say there wouldn't be a reason that you be not sabe. You say adding your channel. Now and yes, answer their suspicion. Beba. Ni America Kosian say Jimmy and Yanyai. MPP ni be a mass up. Say wo kwako demonstrate what Jimmy. Because sabi Wontumi sika na no oni unedi ye. If or ye cleaner, let the law take its course. Ni America che and then mete say your friend say MPP for business say yes, baby, Jimmy munjai. Ghana has gotten to a stage sabi adia ese dano ese honye de to. Enya John Mahama na abeba power and send you behu say Wontumi was corrupt. Then where lies our state one with the police and the military and all? That means they are useless. Because if the IGP cannot on its own take up something and say, it doesn't matter who is in government, I will do my work. Now, Sabi, it has to take a change of government for somebody to realize, say, I need to work there. Then we are stupid. Excuse my language. I expose your friend, subscribe, share. Me too, man, now, Saka, be manuals.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.